Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check the drone firmware and your phone OS versions, since mismatches block pairing. Once done, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services on your phone because many drones use a hybrid link. Open the manufacturer app and choose the pairing or connect option. The app initiates discovery and prompts for permissions. If a password appears, enter the default from the quick start. Otherwise, accept the pairing request and wait for the solid connection indicator. After initial discovery, either join the drone's Wi-Fi network from settings or let the app create a hotspot. This ensures a direct low-latency link. Next, follow the on-screen calibration steps, compass, IMU, and gimbal, because accurate sensors enable stable flight and video. Make sure to grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions so live view and recordings work. Once calibrations finish, test controls in a safe, open area using short inputs to confirm responsiveness before attempting a full flight. Finish by performing a short hover test and verifying telemetry. GPS lock, battery percentage, and signal strength should display on your phone. If the link is unstable, update both the drone and app firmware because many fixes target connectivity. Should problems persist, reboot the drone and your phone, then repair through the app. This clears cached sessions. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see persistent lag or dropped video, switch to a less crowded Wi-Fi channel or move to open space to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.